This is a heart-wrenching scene. Sudden downpour caused a landslide. A stray dog was deeply buried in the mud, unable to move. When a kind young man discovered the situation, they immediately began digging to rescue the dog. After great effort from the kind people, they unexpectedly dug out 2 newborn puppies nearby. At that moment, everything became clear. It turned out the dog's puppies were also buried in the mud. That's why her cries were so heartbreaking. Eventually, with great care, the young men continued digging. They successfully rescued the mother and her 2 puppies. By then, the puppies were barely alive. The young man quickly wiped the mud off them with a towel. Then he rinsed them clean with water. The mother dog couldn't wait to nurse her hungry pups. Her maternal love moved everyone. Tears were clearly visible on the mother dog's face after surviving. She looked at the kind humans in front of her. Her eyes were filled with gratitude. Hopefully, under the young man's care, she can recover from this traumatic experience.